This is Mohammed Reem Savar from Golgota University. Now, currently, I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering. Right now, I'm in fourth year. So, my topic is how to become a Microsoft Student Ambassador. In this previous time, or I have also applied in 2023, but at that time I was rejected due to some reason. Okay, so I can explain everything about related to the MLSA, like how to become MLSA and what is the features, and you just you can do it because it's not a very big thing. So there are some tasks if you can do, then you can become a Microsoft Investor. Okay, so there are some few point I'm just explaining one by one. Okay, so if you want to Microsoft, firstly I'm just like talking about like what is Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Okay, like it is something that it is a technical something like designed to enhance your empowerment in your university colleges. It's the type of like Microsoft Learn is type of website that's providing educations educational content, and you can share them. And in this with the help of like MLSA, you have some premium facility. You can access some free courses from Microsoft. And basically, and Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, it is a program. It is an initiative by Microsoft designed to engage the empowerment university students who are passionate about the technologies, and the programs that aim to help students to develop their skill that builds their career and make a difference in their community. Right now, you can see that the market condition is not be good in like IT industry everywhere in the jobs problems. Every companies want, like every HRs want, like you have to some extra curriculum activities. So these are some extra things you can mention in, you can put on your resume, and that give you some different thing. Okay, so I'm also I'm also pursuing BTech. So I'm just thinking like it's a correct way to get this thing. So I'm applying for the MLSA program. Okay, so this you can see that this is the MLSA. This is the MLSA website. This is the MLSA website. Through this website, you can just fill the applications form. There are some criteria is given there. Like if you want to become an ambassador, it's the compulsory to you all of you, like if you are like you have to do the BTech in like technical field courses. Like if you are from BCA background, if you're from BTech background, then you can do. Okay. So these are the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador website, and I can also provide the link on your descriptions box. This is the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador website. And through this website, you can fill the application form. Okay. At the previous time, you have just filled the applications form, and after the review, you are selected or you are not to be selected. Okay, at that time. But right now, the like eligibility criteria will be changes. Okay, and the procedure are so different. Okay, I'm just go through the one by one step. You can just simply follow me. This is the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador website. You just sign in your account. Like if you have used your Gmail account or your Outlook account, it's according to you. So I'm just suggesting you have to use your Outlook account. Okay. So this is my account. This is my official account. So I have already right now ambassador. So that's why my this is option is not showing like that. So I'm just opening the page in a cognitive mode. After that, there is a registration form. Okay. So you have to fill the registration form. This is the form. You just are clicking the next. After that, you just put the personal information like your name, your like first name, last name, your email ID, your date of birth, or your gender. Okay, your country. I'm just putting my random something. This is the some online influencer network. Like in this section, you have to put your social media link. Like like LinkedIn profile, like LinkedIn link, or it might be your Instagram, whatever you can put your link, social media link. And after that, you just put your educations, like your degree program, like which program are you from belong, like this institute names, country, same. Okay. So after that, like the most important thing when you fill the application form, you can you aware on that, like you are like you are a fresher of if you're just like applying for the currently uh, like if you are taking admission in the colleges or you're from first year or second year, it might be good for you, because if you are belong to the fourth year student, that it might be difficult for you, because Microsoft want like the fresher student can be applied for the MLSA program. So these things, so you can put according to you. Okay, then you just simply click the next. So I think I can miss. Refresh the page. Again, I put these types of information. So simply, I'm just to give you the brief information about, like when you fill the application form, at that time you like you have to make you just here are three questions are on this website. So in these three questions, you have to fill the like first two question you have to just submit the information on the text format, and the one question you have to make a video on it. Okay, just like suppose the questions asking about like related to the like IT industry. Okay, so you just put the information, and in this one there are three questions they ask, and in the one question you have to make a video on like approx 2 minutes videos, and you can upload the video links on the like answer section. And after that, you have like this is the formality you have to fill this application. So after that, you have to get the link from the Discord. Okay, like you get the link from the Discord application. You just connect to the Discord. Okay, so I'm just opening my Discord server and I just sharing the information. This is my Discord and this is the Microsoft Student Manager server. Okay. So when you fill the application form, you got the mail from the Microsoft team, like you are moved to the further. After that, you have to just landing on this page. So this is the announcement section. You can see that there is something mentioned on the like there's some information. Code of conduct is there. There is general FAQ questions. So this is the introduction, like what you have just simply forget about it. So these are the start from and just start from there. So when you landing on the Discord page, you have just logging through the like GitHub. This is the GitHub. Okay, this is the GitHub repositories are there. Something like you can put on the codes on this website. So you just connect from the Discord. Okay. So after that, you have to choose the task. The main work is start from there. So you have to complete your technical onboarding and just downloading the some informations. So this is the brochure. In this brochure, they are like providing which types of firstly, I have just filling the application form. After that, we receive the like selections mail, like move to the next further information. Okay. Then after we have to follow this instruction, like follow this link, like I'm just telling you the like this is the Discord. In this Discord, there's the technical training work. You have to complete the technical training. So what is technical training? This is the types of challenge. Just like like previous, I'm also sharing the technical challenges. There are some modules are there. You just complete the modules and submit it. So like these types of challenges are there. Okay. I'm just clicking maybe it if it is visited. This is a website page. So you have to complete the technical. These types of technical challenges are there. Okay. These types of technical challenges are there. So you have to complete the technical challenge. Okay. After the technical challenge, like after the completion of technical challenge, you got the contributor ID. Like what is contributor ID? I'm just like show you. If you are seeing this link, if you are seeing this link, my like See, there is my contributor ID. There is my ID, like student ID, these types of 361135. So you got this, you got your contributor ID, because at that contributor ID they can monitor like which types of work you have to do, and exactly like how many candidates are visiting your page. Basically, all works are monitored through the Microsoft Teams. So these are the contributor ID. So when you complete the technical onboarding process, when you complete these modules, you wait around 4 to 5 days. It's like sometimes it's take maybe approx after like approx 1 week. Okay. So when you complete it, then you get the contributor ID. Okay. So after that contributor ID, you have to choose the path, like which types of path you can follow to become an ambassador. Okay. So there are three paths are there. There are three paths are there. Okay. First is like a community builder path. Second is a community influencer path, and third is the startup advocate path. Okay. So these are three works. You have to choose one of them and just complete your like task. Okay. So in the community builder path, at when I was applying for the MLSA, at that time you have to complete around 1500 modules. Okay. But right now it's only 1,000 modules you have to complete it, and like which types of modules you don't aware, I'm just sharing the information. So this is my challenge. Okay. So when you just join this challenge, you can see there is a modules are there. Okay. So you have to complete the 1,000 modules. Okay. So if you are like, it's my challenge. I can organize this challenge, and the candidate, the participants are joining this challenge. They can complete the challenge. So right now I'm the ambassador, so I have these types of I can do these types of works because I am ambassador. So I have this type of facility from the Microsoft team they can provide you. So, but right now, if you want to become an ambassador, this is the also path to becoming an ambassador. Okay. So these types of challenge you have to create it, and you not aware on that, like how to create these challenges, how to add these modules. So I can already made a video on like related to this all just like all information, like you can creating the challenge and how to put the link, all about step by step procedure. I have already mentioning on there. Okay. But I can give you the brief information, like in this process, you don't be panic. It's take around 3 to 4 months to hold this journey. It's take 2 to 4 months to become a Microsoft ambassador. I also investing at around 4 to 5 months to becoming ambassador. Okay. So these are the community builder part. So you have to complete around 1,000 modules. Okay. And 1,000 net new modules. Okay. The difference between of modules or net new modules, the net new modules is means like your participant should be new. They do not complete the modules before that. Like if I am the creating the challenge, if I'm creating any challenges, like suppose the X person have completed these modules, my modules, and exactly the same person, like again they can completing the modules, they not be countable. This is a not be like a net new module. Okay, this is a module, so this is not the net new module. So you have to complete the 1,000 net new modules to becoming an ambassador. Okay. And you got the weekly, like you got the weekly review, like after 1 week, every week you got the mail from the Microsoft team, like how many candidates have done the courses, like how many visitors are come from your pages, your challenges. You can see all about this. Okay. So see this at that time when I was applying, like see this is my contributor ID, and I can like total visitor at that time 116, my total unique visitor is 10. So all I can analyze my work, like how to join this large audience, how to complete the courses. So these are my total visitor at that time, and the unique visitor are there. So this is something you got every week from the Microsoft team. Okay. Like how many candidates have done these courses, total visitor. At my last time, my visitor is around 11,000. Okay. I have created two challenges. You have to create around 2 to 3 challenges according to it's depend on you. Like if you creating the like large challenges, like if there's in these challenges there is around 20 modules are there, so you can easily create the one modules. And if you are creating the short challenges like in like around 10 to 15 modules, so then you can create around 2 to 3 modules. It's all about depends on you. Okay. So these are there something information in like putting. I have these all informations are already putting on this website. I have already making a video, but again I can share you the information because like in these 3 months there are a lot of different things are changes are there. Okay, so these are the one path to becoming a ambassador. Like first is community builder path. You have to build your own community. Okay. And the second part, the community influencer path. The community influencer path is like some difference is a thing. That means you have like their modules are inbuilt. You have just copy the link. Like suppose I'm just landing on this page. Okay, these are the modules. This is the modules. Okay, so this is a module. So you have to share these modules. Like if you got the contributor ID, you have to put the contributor ID, like your contributor ID. Yes, exactly. See, uh, in the previous time, you can see that there is a module of fundamental AI concept module. Okay, and after we just put my contributor ID. Okay, and again, I'm just sharing them like this module for any colleagues, for any person. Like if I'm sharing this link. So like visitor are come from my link. So this is accountable for my work. Okay. So these are the also thing you can if you want to become ambassador. This is the also path you have to complete around 200 250 preferred visitor. Okay. So what is preferred visitor? Preferred visitor means like if your like participant are like landing on this page, they just wait like few seconds. They can scrolling like if you are learning something, if you like because see their website is monitoring each and everything. Like how many times you visited the page. And again, suppose I'm just opening the same link in my browser. So they can also monitor my IP address, like in my tab in my Chrome version, like which types of version I can use. So these all are works is my countable. So the word you have to find your audience is unique. Like there like there is a not to be like things like some people's are come from your website. So there should be unique. Okay, they're not suppose if you are re-landing on this page again and again and this not be countable. Okay, so you have to complete around 250 preferred visitor. Okay, these also mentioned on this website. See, these are 250 preferred visitor are mentioned on this website. Okay, so at when I was becoming a Microsoft ambassador, at that time we have to complete around 2,500 visitors at that time because at that time their criteria is very tough. Okay, right now the criteria is very like very not be tough. You just if you want to do, you can become an ambassador. Okay, so these are the something to like if you want to ambassador, if you want to become ambassador, you can do these types of work. And the third thing is startup advocate part. This is the also like firstly you can complete a technical training. You got the contributor ID. Okay, and at that time, at that contributor ID, you can choose the path, like which path you want to do, like community builder path, community influencer path, or startup advocate path. In this startup advocate path, you have to like reach the startup. You have to reach the startup and like founder of the company and and request to the startup to register all the like startup. You have to like register the startup in the MLSA program. Okay, so you got the one form from like you got the one form. This is the website foundation hub. In this form, you just gathering the information. You can contact the startup like founder and request to like log in this page, and you can put the information about your companies and also their startup founder put your contributor ID. So that work is countable. Okay, so you have to like collect around how many startup I can see. See, there is a 15 acceptance application. Okay, you have to like reach around 15 to 20 application. Like you have to reach 15 to 20 startup founders and request you to like enroll in this Microsoft program. Okay, so these are the three things you can like if firstly if you are just filling the application form in this application. Wait, where is the application form? This is the application form. You can fill the application form. There is some basic information like related to the academic information, or there's something is normal things. Okay. So after the information, education information, there is some questions are there. Okay. So in these questions, you just giving the answer of the two questions, and the one question you have to make a video on 2 minutes. Okay. And you can upload the video link in this question sections. Okay. And after that, suddenly you can get the mail from the Microsoft team, like you are selected for the MLSA and you can move for the work. Like so then you can landing on this Discord, you just work on the technical training. So these types of modules, you can see that on the technical on page. So you just complete these whole modules. After the completing modules, wait around 4 to 5 days. Okay, minimum. You got the contributor ID according to the like you got the contributor ID, and through this contributor ID, you can choose the task. Okay, these are the you can see that these are the three tasks. You can just clicking any link from the whole things. Like you can see that there is a community influencer, community builder, or and a startup advocate. I'm just like if I want to do the community builder path, I'm just opening the link. These are by opening my work, and I'm right now I can do the community builder path. Okay, in this community builder path, like you can, I'm just telling you, you have to create the challenge. Okay, so I can show you the like little bit information how to create the challenge. This is the Microsoft Learn page. Okay, this is the Microsoft Learn page, and in this page you can see that there's a multiple modules are there. Okay, so you have to log in your account. Okay, after that you just create the challenge. These there is a section. There is a challenge section is there. Okay, these are the something challenge. My right now is challenge is open. So these are the collection section. In this collection section, I can create the new collection. In this new collection, I can write the collection name like according to your like interest. You can just creating the like React fundamental, Azure fundamental according to your like choice. It's not we might be that like basically related to the IT industry. Like it's something topic. When you choose the any topic, you can check their modules are present on this list or not. So if I am want to become a Python, I am going to create the challenge on the Python fundamental topic. So you can create the Python fundamental topic. Okay. So this is my collection is created, and again I can just see these are the modules are there. So search, you can see there is a lot of Python modules, just like introduction of Python. So if you want to add, I have already added in the different challenge. So that's why they're showing like already added. So you can add the collections. Okay. Choose your like suppose, sorry, the spelling is mistake. So you can choose the collections name, and after that you can simply randomly choose the modules according to your challenges. Okay, so you have to you have to choose around, I think it's maybe around 10 to 20 module. It's depend on you. You can see there are 150. sorry, there is a 1000 modules you have to complete. So how many candidates have done your full challenges to get to becoming a Microsoft student? Because it's depend on you. Like if at that time when I was becoming ambassador, at that time I'm creating around 12 modules challenges. Okay, so you have to create according to you. So this is my challenges. In these challenges, there's a two modules are added right now. So these are the link of my challenges. So we just copy my link. Okay, you can add your modules, but right now I'm taking this example. So this is my my challenge links are there. So I'm just copy the my link, and again I can see this is a request form. Basically, you have to fill the challenge request form, because after that your challenge will be started, and when your challenge will be closed, you have to choose the exactly date or timing. Okay, so these are the form you have to put in your email ID, like which email ID you have to apply your MLSA program. So you just put your email ID, your challenge title, your challenge description box. Okay, in this description you can put the description. uh Here is my page. So after the challenge will be created, you can see there is a challenges. Ended dates are like showing like this, like 5 days, how many hours, minutes. Okay, so you got this whole like you got the link from these types of, or and in this link their contribution ID is already added in this like community builder part. When you fill the application form, then after your challenge will be created, then you got the link, like these types of links, your challenges. I'm just clicking the link and you can share in your network. So you have to create your audience. Okay. So these are my challenges at that time, like around 93 participants are there. Or this is the 7 module challenges. Okay. So I'm creating 2 challenges at that time. So it's like it's you have to like choose the form, like when you fill the form, like you can select the, like after 2 weeks your challenge date will be started. Okay, so you can put your challenge date, you can starting date, in date, and your contributor ID, because at the end of the URL the contributor ID will be added. So after that you can fill the submission form. Every week you can get the mail from the Microsoft team, like how many candidates have done your courses, your challenges, your module. Like you can see that. I can also get the mail from the Microsoft team, like how many visitors are there, how many candidates have done the courses. So all are there you can get. Okay, so there is a not a different thing. And when you're becoming the ambassador, you can get some, like some benefits from the Microsoft. Like first thing you have to uh, like if you are becoming an investor, then you have to get some premium facility, like you got the premium vouchers, you get the gaming vouchers. Okay, these are the something you have to create your challenge, and if, through this challenge, like it's depend on the participation, you can get the premium, you can get the some different features are there. Okay, and you can create your audience, like it is an international community, so you can connect with the all of them. Okay, so these all are, and the most important thing, I have already making a whole video step by step procedure. If you are, and in this video is also in an English language. Okay, so if you are comfortable with, you can understand easily. This is my playlist. In this playlist, I have just only one video in the Hindi language, and after that, their whole procedures are there. Like when you fill the applications form, after that, you get the onboarding form. Like how see, these are the new, and after alpha, beta, gold, these are the 3 things are there. But right now, if you're becoming ambassador, you just becoming alpha. After that, you have to complete the some, you have to create the challenges, you have to create some meetings. Okay, so then you're becoming a beta, and after like it's take around 1 years. After the 1 years, you can apply for the gold ambassador. Okay. So these are there. Something like when you becoming alpha milestone, like at that time you do not get anything like any related to the swag box or as it. When you becoming a beta milestone, when you achieve the beta milestone, then you got the uh, swag boxes as well as you can get a lot of things. Okay. Right now you can get the access from the Microsoft all applications, all services are there. Like you can see that I have also the Visual Studio subscriptions are there. I have. So in these subscriptions, I have all also like all these types of premium facilities we got. So these are the something. Okay. So it's a very easy thing to becoming a mentor. I hope I can clear all your doubt. If you have any problem, then you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave your